Yeah, yeah, I know you thought you had it planned out. You saw it all, your destination with direct routes. And you say to yourself, you ain't gon' pout, but this your only chance to get it out, so let it out. I'm not gon' say I know what it feels like. That pain, you can't describe cause it's that real type. The kind that opens up your eyes to see this real life as more than just another day. Now you enticed, cause every second feels longer. Side effects are stronger. You wish you could delete, but instead it's on repeat. Trying to get over your past, but you put yourself on blast by telling me details of that moment when your seed died. Surprise, I stood in awe, but not from what I heard. Was mainly shocked at the way you covered up all that hurt. Expert, you covered it, I'll give you that. But now that your story is out, let's use it to get back. Back up from when you fell, back up from all the hell and crap. You and you crying for help, but there was all you felt. I got great news, your story ain't gonna end on such a sour note, cause your testimony's inspiring. Yeah, I could've sworn I had it planned out. I saw it on my destination with direct routes. And I said to myself, I ain't gon' pout, but this my only chance to help them out, so I gotta get it out. Yeah, I could've sworn I had it planned out. I saw it on my destination with direct routes. And I said to myself, I ain't gon' pout, but this my only chance to help you out. Listen, yeah, I've been called every label man can think of. I was a victim to this negative kingdom. Followed the leader, and so I did listen to everything he said. I was 15, just a kid. There goes my innocence, straight out the door. Dude was 25 years old, taking advantage of my world. Was just a girl, true, but since it happened, I've been running around town trying to feel this satisfaction. Then you stepped in, forever grateful, Lord. You fixed every broken piece and put me back on board. Spiritually restored, you made me brand new. I pray that all my friends can feel your love, it's so true. I pray that all my family that walked away from me will lead the path back to where you all share the stories too. Cause God is more to you. Release your throne. I need your presence here, but I want you more. Yeah, I know we thought we had it planned out. We saw it all, destination with direct routes. And you say to yourself, you ain't gon' pout, but this your only chance to let it out, so get it out. Yeah, I know we thought we had it planned out. We saw it all, destination with direct routes. And we say to ourselves, we ain't gon' pout, but this our only chance to help them out, so get it out. You gotta hang tight, you gotta stay strong. You gotta keep the faith, in fact you need to share the song. You ain't forgotten, though I know it feels like you're the least in your tribe and you're barely getting by. But I ain't convinced, cause I'm a product of change, a result of insignificance transformed into fame. I love this game so rigged, yeah I know, but you need fertilizer, crap to center for your growth. So push through the pain and fight past the hurt. You're a label and your dreams are what you're about to birth. I know you're feeling drained, no energy to work, but that's the element that makes the struggle all the work. So when you feel like just a face in the crowd, or if you feel like you got nothing figured out, just stand tall, stay firm and be proud. You're a diamond in the rough, you're so precious. Yes, yeah, you're so precious. You see, pain doesn't only have to hurt. So what's your story? God bless y'all.